Good evening and welcome to Willard School's Open House. My name is Megan Sorois and I'm proud to be the principal. We are so happy that you can join us, and I want to start by thanking you. In August, we welcomed 430 students back to school. Your support, patience, and flexibility have resulted in a successful start to the new school year and are much appreciated. We value your partnership and recognize the importance of the homeschool connection in providing a successful educational experience for your child. Willard School has a strong, supportive learning community, and there is no greater testament to our collective success and strength as a school community than what we have experienced in the last couple of years. We are fortunate to have 118 staff members here at Willard School to ensure our days run smoothly and support your child's educational journey. Tonight, you will have the opportunity to meet members of our talented and dedicated staff, including your child's teacher. You will hear about grade level expectations and our collaborative efforts to provide a standards-based curriculum for our students ranging from pre-K to grade 5. Through a shared commitment to student achievement, our professional community is committed to student success and embraces each child as an individual with diverse capabilities. We strive to encourage students to achieve their highest potential and become reflective, self-directed learners. At Willard School, we take great pride in our community and work collaboratively to provide learning experiences that are motivating, engaging, meaningful, and authentic. Ultimately, our goal is for students to employ their unique talents with a sense of purpose, discover what they are most passionate about, and foster a sense of pride in their accomplishments. After a year of exploring and learning about Ruler as a staff, this year we will begin to implement Ruler with our students. Ruler is an evidence-based approach to social and emotional learning developed at the Yale Center for Emotional Intelligence. Ruler is an acronym for the skills of emotional intelligence, recognizing emotions, understanding emotions, labeling emotions, expressing emotions, and regulating emotions. Research from the field of emotion science finds that children who understand and manage their feelings make more responsible decisions, have stronger relationships, and perform better in school. Ruler helps students and the adults in their lives learn about and manage their emotions. This is important for success in nearly every aspect of our lives and for our overall well-being. Safety is our top priority. I feel confident in our safety procedures. Our staff is trained and knows the protocols to follow each and every day to ensure that our children and staff are safe. Our security officer, Mr. John Inho, is on site all day, every day. We also practice safety drills with students regularly. We appreciate those of you who volunteer at the school. If you plan on volunteering, please take some time to complete the required Raptor and DCF forms. These must be completed each year. Therefore, if you completed them last November, they do not need to be completed again until this November. To access the required forms, please go to the Berlin Schools website. Please note that we welcome your participation, but in order to do so, the forms must be completed. Processing time varies, so please consider completing these forms early. Here is Danielle Salina, Willard School's new Dean of Students, to talk about the PTO.
Thank you, Megan. As the year continues, you will have opportunities to participate in your child's education. We hope you embrace these opportunities and remain an active school community member. One way that you can support our school community is by joining the PTO. The Willard PTO supports all of our students and staff in various ways. They purchase books for students in classrooms, support teachers with purchasing supplies, pay for field trips, provide programs for our students, and coordinate fun family nights. Please consider joining our PTO. A membership form was recently sent home, as was information about our first fundraiser. There is also a Cherry Dale fundraiser taking place right now. The first Willard PTO meeting of the year is scheduled for Tuesday, September 12th at 6:30 p.m. in the school library. This will be a great opportunity to meet some of our staff members, hear about what is taking place, learn more about how the PTO supports our students and staff, and share your ideas. For more information, visit the Willard School website and click on PTO at the top. More information on the PTO, Cub Scouts, and YMCA before and after care is available in the cafeteria. Berlin Fair wristbands are for sale there as well. Back to you, Megan.
Thanks, Danielle. If you want to learn more about Willard School, there are many places you can find information. You can visit our website at wes.berlinschools.org. Here you will find information as well as the monthly calendar of events. The Family Handbook is online as well. Please be sure to take a look. Finally, communication is the key to success. At any time throughout the year, please contact us with questions you may have. We will be happy to help in any way we can to ensure that your child has a successful school year. We look forward to working with you to make it a wonderful year. We hope you enjoy your visit. Thank you.